Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video, and it's an important one because I think there's some danger that people need to be aware of. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up that like button. It really does support the channel. We really do appreciate it. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes, in our pursuit to build generational level wealth for many. If you haven't already, subscribe, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get down to the desktop. Let's rattle through this one. I think it'll be a nice short video today. Okay, so we're going to start on coin market cap, and the total market cap of crypto is up 2.80%, and it's now standing at $1.25 trillion. So I think this is something to be cautious about. I am expecting it to pull back again. We are expecting much lower lows, right? And I want to be really clear about this, right? It is just our opinion. I've sold my ADA, for example, and I expect it to come down. So, I really just want to put this out here. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below. But I am going to sort of detail why, I'm making these assumptions that this is what's going to happen in the space, right? So Bitcoin's it's up 1.69% at the time of recording, and it's sat at 30,439.14. You got ADA it's up 9.71% at 65 cent 51. Lots going on in the space, but I think at the moment, and a few people have seen some trades that I've made in our Patreon service, and link is in the description if you're interested in becoming a member, and I've kind of questioned things. While I don't normally tend to trade, but one thing that I have noticed is that it's becoming quite simple at the moment. We are in like a channel, and I think this picture here really articulates it quite well with Bitcoin, right? Like, there's a channel here, right, that is being traded. And one thing that I would actually add is when we get to sort of these levels here, the miners are selling off, right? So we've got to be aware of this. Large sale volumes come in at about these prices, right? And it shouldn't come as a surprise to people that we keep pulling back. So, I mentioned before that I sold my ADA. I did a video on it. I love the project. It's not about the project. I just think that we're going to see lower lows. Now, I've been buying and selling, just trading basically in this channel for ADA. And it's I've accumulated tens of thousands more ADA doing this. So it's one of those to be aware of. I think key things to take from this is purely that the miners are selling. When it goes up, the miners are selling. It's pulling it back down, and there's opportunities to buy it up again. And we're just seeing this rinse and repeat. It's not just the miners, there's big players in the space that are also doing the same. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about is, we're not the only ones saying that we're expecting pullbacks. There's a crypto analyst, warning of capitulation. And this is one of the things that we should be, really aware of, right? There's lots of opportunity. The bear market is where generational level wealth is made. The people that did best in the previous bull cycle were the people that bought in the bear market. Nick and myself, we're still in profit with everything we hold. And there's a reason for that. It's because we got in super early in a bear market where nobody was hanging around, nobody wanted to buy these projects up. And ultimately, the brave are the ones that go on to do well. Now, we always talk about taking profits. It's really important. We're not financial advisors, but we are highlighting projects that we think are going to do really well in different series of videos. So make sure that you are subscribed and you've selected all the notifications on YouTube so you don't miss any of the videos, because we have a very good track record of pulling out hidden gems for you guys to go do some research on. And if they resonate with you, you can make your own decision whether you choose to invest or not. Now, it's really important that you do your own research. There is no substitute for it. There's lots of people in this space that are looking to shill shitcoins and various other projects just for money, and they don't care about you, right? They really don't. So there is no substitute for it. Hear what I'm saying, take it in, and make sure that you spend the time to do that. Now, we have a fantastic community in our Discord. Jump in, it's free to join, link is in the description of the video. I really do encourage you to like I say, join our Discord. People in there, 3,500, chatting about crypto 24/7. Now, I think the point that needs to be made here, I think it just, I guess, cements what I was saying earlier. And here it is. An analysis firm Glassnode warned on Tuesday that a full-scale capitulation scenario could occur at a Bitcoin price range from $20,500 to $23,500. Blockchain data suggests that Bitcoin miners are liquidating some of their holdings in response to a squeeze on profits. The highest probability is that the market within the second and historical final capitulation phase of Bitcoin bear market.
Today's video has been sponsored by Cheeky Crypto, and specifically the Harmony One staking pool. If you are looking to support the channel and do not know how, the best way you can go about doing this is actually to go ahead and delegate your One holdings into the Cheeky One staking pool. By doing so, not only are you supporting the channel, but you're also providing yourself with a nice passive income on your crypto holdings. You'll get some very juicy returns hovering around the 10% APY, and this is a fantastic way to make your crypto work hard for you the way that you worked hard for your crypto. Guys, if you are looking to support the channel, why not delegate today to the Cheeky One staking pool with the Harmony One protocol?
So I think the point that I'm trying to highlight here is there's an awful lot of potential for us to have lower prices. Now, Nick and myself have been saying this for an awful long time, but I don't know whether people believe us. It's in the data, it's in the Elliott wave, moves that we see, in Nick's technical analysis. It's really important that we, listen, we go away, we do the research. It's fantastic to have these tools to predict what's going to happen. Now, some of these prices look absolutely cheap as chips right now, but there's still cheaper prices to come. So just take that on board. There's lots of people telling you that it's going to moon. Nobody really knows, but the data suggests one thing. Whether we see that come to fruition, I guess, is the question. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on the market. Do you think that we're going to have lower lows, or do you think we're just way wrong here and we're going to start to see the prices pump to the upside? Now, nothing goes up in straight lines, nothing comes down in straight lines. So you can see some prices increase, but then we could have this capitulation. I really wanted to raise this as awareness. If it comes to fruition, then at least we've kind of warned everybody. Don't make any investment decisions based on what I'm saying on this video. Go away, do your own research, and come to your own conclusions. But I wouldn't feel comfortable if I didn't raise what I expect is going to happen. It's one of those. It's something that I feel is there's a danger of it. So I want to kind of flag it to everybody. I hope this video was useful, educational, and all that wonderful stuff. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really does support the channel. Share this video, all that wonderful stuff. It really does help sort of bring awareness to cryptocurrency and investing. So yeah, we'd appreciate it if you did that. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss one of our wonderful videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.